Fasting beast. Every morning I wake up happily unsatisfied. Let me explain. So every morning I wake up, I want to be more ripped. I want to be more strong. I want to make more money. I want to be more smart. I want to study more in my. I want to level up on mentally, spiritually, and physically. So, and that's how you should be too. You should be waking up every morning happily unsatisfied. So, you can try to better yourself. Even if you already got decent body, you should try to better your body every single day. Waking up with the purpose of better yourself. I'm gonna be better tomorrow. I'm gonna be better than today. That's how you should be waking up every single day. I wanna be better than yesterday. I wanna make more money. I wanna be more ripped. I wanna be more strong. I wanna be smarter than yesterday. That's how you should be doing your day every single day. Just like I said before, the three traits of the hyper successful individual. Number one, you think you're better than everyone, and that's what you gotta do. Like I said before, Michael Jordan is not gonna go there and say, "I'm gonna be two today." No, he's Michael Jordan. I'm gonna be number one. That's how you should think about yourself. I'm gonna be number one. Number two, never satisfies. Always want more. Always want more. I want to be better. I want to be stronger. I want to be more ripped. I want to make more money. I want to be better than yesterday. And number three, impulse control. You control your habits. You control. You don't drink alcohol. You don't do drugs. And you know overeating is another addiction too. So if you can control it, it will be nice too. I am the fasting beast.